How to choose a subject in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy app and wondering on how to choose a subject to learn, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Khan Academy application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to choose a subject, simply tap on to explore right here at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you can see different kinds of subjects just right here. Now choose one that you would like to learn, just like this. For example, computing right here. Tap on it. Now here you can find different topics on this subject. Now choose one, just like this. Now again here you can find multiple options. Now choose one, just like this. Now from here you can simply learn the subject by watching videos and doing practices. And that's it. This is how you can choose a subject in the Khan Academy app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.